7 mistakes I wish I knew before I attempted my NEET paper. First and foremost is overthinking, isolating yourself completely, and sleeping less than what is required. These things are really going to add up and ruin your paper on the D day. Please avoid it at all costs. Second is giving mock tests is relative. Giving mock tests according to what your capability is and according to what you can attempt, and not because everyone is saying har roz ek paper though you are giving a paper every day. Please don't do this mistake. Along with that, analyzing the whole paper is also very important, and marking your mistakes in the paper itself would be more beneficial than making a mistake copy. Third is not focusing on PYQs and the mistakes that you are actually creating, and focusing on every random ass thing that is available everywhere else. If you are weak in any topic or in any subject, it is always preferred that you master the PYQs at least. Fourth is stop being a sucker to motivational and inspirational videos that are out there on YouTube at this point of time. I would not elaborate, समझदार के लिए इशारा काफी. Fifth and something which I think I was terrible at, taking breaks and giving yourself थोड़ा बहुत rest. Yes, I know last का time है, बहुत important है, बहुत crucial, but that doesn't mean ruining your mental sanity. Along with this, sleeping for at least 6 to 7 hours is important. Don't be that person जो रात के 3-3 4-4 बजे तक जागता है और 7-8 बजे उठता है. I was one of them, and I would literally slap myself if I get back in that time. Sixth one is skimming through biology NCERT. Everyone knows 11th-12th की bio कितनी ज्यादा important है NCERT से. Just go through all the lines and all the words in every diagram of NCERT so that आपके दिमाग में हर चीज नीट के दिन fresh रहे. Along with that, keep solving the PYQs and the mocks that you are doing, and keep revising the things which you tend to forget again and again. Seventh one is a small hack for the OMR. Whether you do it at the end या section wise, it depends on you. But what I would suggest is just mark एक छोटा सा dot around the periphery of the bubble जो OMR में होता है. Now this helps when you are unsure about some question या फिर आपको किसी question में doubt होता है, so it can be a good hack. Last is please focus on smart work as much as you can in these last days. जितना hard work करना था वो हमने पहले time में कर लिया है. Now it is very important that you focus on smart work. These are the major mistakes I feel one must avoid at all costs.